Is it? This is a long-awaited ride. We haven't been able to go out here for the last 2 years. Last year being the drought, they shut down all the backcountry travel, and yeah, we're pretty excited. One of the beaver dams here. This isn't the one that we're worried about. Got 2 newbies on the trail with us. We got Igor, and I got my brother-in-law Jordan. So Mike and I, we've been out here a few times now. We'll be staying for the night and heading back tomorrow. Very, very technical trail. We'll be rock crawling for a chunk of it. Right now we can go a little quicker, but once we get onto the narrow trails, we won't be going very fast at all. I tried to plan this trip in the spring, but with all our overland flooding, a lot of this area was underwater, even the roads coming in, so it wasn't possible. But we've had some good stretches of good weather, so most of that water is gone. Just a beautiful area. It's a couple hours drive away from home base there, so we don't get to do this very often. Oh, this looks... I got chest waders on, Mike's got chest waders on, so we'll do some scouting before we get too far into there. Oh, I can see the bottom here. Yeah, that was a breeze. Well, if there was this much water here, I'm a little worried about the next one. If we can get to our destination, it's going to be absolutely beautiful. But we got a backup plan. There's another lake that we can get into and catch some fish. Alright, we're coming up on the next creek here. I'm hoping this one's not an issue, because if it is, it's going to be even tough getting to our backup plan. So far it looks okay. Oh, this is going to be a piece of cake. You're going to need 4-wheel drive, but it looks good. Four-wheel drive. Yeah. Front tires aren't going. Front tires aren't going anywhere.
Yeah, but I'm in 4. I even put it in 4 lock. It says it's going into 4.
4 wheels not moving.
Well, you're locked. You're hung up.
Gonna have to tow them. Yeah.
Spin one around. Well, it's going to be a bit getting everything in there in 2-wheel drive. Fucking dip isn't working. Winch isn't working.
Whoa, whoa.
Here, I can look up that back here. Get off the quad. Operate the throttle. Walk beside it.
What the f? This is the easy part.
I'm gonna really give it a tug.
Give it a tug. It's on a rock or something.
Pull me back?
It's right here.
Maybe he can pull me back off of it.
Yeah, and then go around it.
Yeah. Gonna
I was gonna say the beaver did us a favor. This should be the easy part.
Yeah. No ring in his either.
No. There. Is it neutral?
I put it in reverse.
Give it a little gas, George. Yeah, it's something big, hard thing here.
Like a tree stump.
Go around here, George.
Where's he starts moving? Where's he going?
This way.
Okay, well we better get him out of the way. Yeah,
Well, he can go down here probably. Back it up. Back it up. Oh, whatever. Hang on. Go. Holy fuck.
Don't slow down! Go! Oh, fuck, I was going, go, but you were yelling. Yeah, I say don't stop. Okay, let's go around to hit the other side there.
Yeah, I'll just winch him.
You'll never get out of there, Rich.
No.
We'll get you up.
Somebody take it. Well, the free spool is all jammed up. That should be good enough.
Okay.
Probably too short for this, eh? Not long enough.
Pull the windshield, but I can't get it back in.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay.
Is his stuck in?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll use mine then.
I can winch George.
I knew I should have done this a while ago. Procrastinating.
Are they going out or in?
In.
You're still
Oh.
there. You're good now.
Okay. Hold it tight. And keep tension on it. Don't get any burrs in your hands though, you should be wearing gloves. Do you want to pull them out backwards and have them go this way, or?
Probably get to here and then just winch them.
Okay.
And I'll kind of go where you are, Rick,
Yeah.
up on this hill.
Yeah. Should just use my cable. It was out already.
Yeah.
I mean, it wouldn't be a four-wheel issue, we would pass this, no problem. Right?
Oh yeah.
Both of us, it's just two wheels.
Well, and he got hung up there. He might even have still made it if he kept momentum.
Am I fine there? You want me farther?
No, I just park in here. Yeah, Igor, maybe move up there. Which one?
Like a horse.
Watch a hole somewhere here.
Everywhere here.
Okay. Is my camera lens all dirty?
Nope.
Okay, good. Good. Okay, start coming, George. Okay, you gotta start backing up, Mike. You're right at that in your windshield. What? Check your off switch. You probably kicked it when you got off. Go slow. Okay, give it gas. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. He can get through this. Oh, whew. Whew.
That was the worst part.
No, this is the easy spot.
Give me fun! Oh, no, you won't get to the beaver dam. No winch and no four-wheel drive, George? I mean, we can try it. We'll just have to put you in the back and tow you through.
Yeah, okay. I'm absolutely filthy. Oh my goodness. Oh, the backup plan might be the plan. Ouch. Yeah, I never would have thought would have had issues there. I was expecting it to be deep water, but as soon as I saw it was just all mud, I'm like, oh, this would be a cakewalk. But oh, four-wheel drive is not working in that thing, and apparently the winch isn't working either. So great, two more things to fix. We're gonna stop at the backup lake here, take a break and decide what we're doing from there. Some moose tracks there. Just drive over it. I have to wash my clothes in the lake. A little adventure already. That was fun. Artic cat getting stuck, then I got stuck. Camp is right up here. Oh.
Never seen this pop up before.
The EFI. It's error code.
EFI. Turn it off and see if it starts.
Yeah.
See, you don't hear the diff clicking.
Yeah, diffs. Yeah, up here.
I mean, we can try for. I would say if we do, then I'll put Jordan behind me and pull him through.
Yeah. That's up to you. Or we could be fishing in like 2 hours.
Yeah, lots of room back here for tents.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is
The other campsites.
I shouldn't be saying that on the video, but I'll edit that out. This is campsite 1. Option 1. Boats there. The other one just a little ways up there.
It's nicer looking, but
Yeah.
it's not this one's bad.
No.
Nobody's been here in a while.
No. No, fire pit hasn't been used.
Back here you can put tents, no problem.
Yeah. Fit both of them there. And cut out some of this bush a little. The bear tracks. We're gonna just check out the second camp spot, see how that looks, and I don't know if we're gonna decide to go straight up. There's one Beaver Creek, and after the Beaver Creek it's technical, a lot of slopes, and you'll be okay in two-wheel drive, but four-wheel would be ideal. Doesn't look like anybody's been down this trail in a long time. One big tree here. It's heavy.
Heavy?
Yeah.
You want to cut it first? Or link it?
Dealt with.
I don't think anybody's been down here for a while.
Nope. I forgot my pruners in the back of the truck. Oh, that's hot. Yeah. The second campsite is just up here. Nobody's been down here in a while. It's quite apparent. Stop here, check out this campsite. Alright, I checked out this site here. It looks really nice. And it probably will be our campsite for the night, but we're gonna try and go up to the lake we came here for. It'll be challenging, but I think if we can get in there, that's probably going to be the best bet. Oh, lots of moose tracks through here. The trail's actually not that grown in. I thought, you know, considering it doesn't look like anybody's been out here in a while, that it'd be pretty grown in, but looks okay. Must have spoke too soon. It's still not bad though. Oh, this is even all dried up. This used to be all wet in here. So this is the Beaver Creek.
This is in the beaver dam, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll have to stay up on there. That's probably too deep. We'll come up on here. And this looks okay.
We're good, boys.
Big rock here.
Part here.
Yeah.
It looks better than that. And there is a lot of water here, so if I have to, I can hook up Jordy.
Yeah.
Stop.
Do not go through here.
No, don't go here. Yeah. Right here. Yeah, you know what? This is way better.
Can I just cut across here?
If I could hit it with some speed, I couldn't get around the water at the back kind of thing. But
Yeah.
if you come around left and there's a little rise.
I've never been up there. How's it look?
Good. Getting up this off and
Whew.
as good as I've ever seen it.
Okay, let's get going.
Okay. You need me to back up, Rich, or you can take up now?
Yeah, I should. Has your day ring been out in a while? Or we're gonna need pliers?
The back of your box is open here. And I'm not going to stop Jordan until I'm up there, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm quite a ways up there.
Ready?
Hang on.
Okay, hold on.
Here. Hands are filthy. Just gonna leave it on there?
Yeah, might as well, eh? It was harder in Blueberry Creek.
Yeah.
Is that what that was that I got stuck in the snow? Yeah.
If you see it pulling forward, just
Okay, Igor?
I'm great.
All right. I like your style.
All right. Well, that creek was challenge number 1. I guess the first creek was challenge number one, the real challenge. That one's normally not an issue. That Beaver Creek, we've had a few situations that were scary, but last time we came it was actually really nice. We did kind of the same way we did here. And I got to pay attention because there is a turnoff that we got to take, and then we'll be doing some rock crawling. So that'll be the challenge, but I think we can do it. I forgot my pruners in the truck. This is about as wild as it gets. Yeah.
Doing good.
One at a time.
Yeah.
Chainsaw time! Yep. Yeah, no one's been out here in a while, eh?
No, ground on those rocks. There's no four-wheel drive. Well, you get tossed around whether you got four-wheel drive or not.
Yeah.
Now I know which one. Good thing I came with a little experience on quad. That will be hard.
Yeah.
Some rocks are...
The fucking asshole puckers up a little bit when you don't know.
I had
Alright. Well, didn't record it, but I was saying didn't record it, but we just cut those whatever 2 or 3 trees down. We're almost there, and I'm out of breath. But we are literally in the home stretch here. Oh, we were really talking strongly about getting to the Beaver Creek, so see how it was, and then turning back. And I'm so glad we didn't, because we are pretty much through the worst of it for today. Another frickin' tree. Just gotta push it over. There's our lake. Oh. Home, the final frontier. Well, hopefully not.
This is the spot.
Nice.
I'm so glad we challenged it.
Yeah.
It wasn't near as bad as I thought it was going to be.
No. One little toe, that's all we needed.
That's so nice experience. Quite an experience.
Told you.
Isn't that different?
It's so
Would
different.
I lie to you?
That's why you need a quad. Now I understand. Driving those trails, groomed trails, you don't need quad.
No.
You can ride bicycle there.
You take one of those little scooters the old people ride on those trails.
Come here and let you.
Quad and some balls. Holy, am I sweaty? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm hot.
Where's those beers?
Are they cool?
They are, yes.
Oh, get them out! Oh, we even got Heine's. Oh, look at this. Oh, my God. This is gonna go. Cheers, everyone.
I gotta get the cheers on camera.
Okay.
All right.
It's a movie.